It's windy and it's freezing. So I wanted to just record the wind a little bit. It's gotten a little bit better, but you see the flag? A flag down there. So let me go closer to it. Since I have gloves on and I can't zoom in on my phone. I guess this flag is a little closer. 14-mile-an-hour winds, and I think the gusts are going up to like almost 20. Because I saw that flag down there, American one, going insane earlier. Those trees are kind of going a little wonky. It's a little windstorm, nothing insane. And what does my white guy self do? Go outside and freeze myself to death. Yeah, see? Bruh, that flag is gonna fall off. And America will die with it. Yeah, bro, that flag. Oh, it's getting windier. It's worse the farther you go up. Got the moon up there. The sun over there. It's like 5 p.m. I guess I can go a little bit down here just to show you. Oh God, it's actually pulling me back. Oh God. Yeah, that flag's so insane. Hey, their Trump flag. Trump sign finally got taken off. Nice. Because Trump isn't even our president anymore. It's really, I'm not saying you can't have your opinion, just he's probably going to be impeached again, and he's not even vote again. Politics. Oh my God. This one is terrible. My hood is in my face. Crap. Nice XJ. It's not ours, by the way. We have many. That's not ours. A nice view. Did the wind finally go away? Yeah, it's calming down a little bit. I don't know. I'm going back now though. Bro, this is kind of cray-cray. What is this? This isn't even crap. I used it as a little dip in for my skateboard the other day. And it was just tremendously bumpy and squishy. Disgusting. Right as it was getting worse, it got a little bit better. It's starting to warm up. Yeah, I think the wind kind of... I can feel it coming back. I can feel the wind coming back. Yeah, the news said 14-mile-an-hour winds and over 20-mile-an-hour wind gusts, which isn't terrible, but that can still do some damage. You can definitely push a little kid over. I'm not a little kid anymore. I'm a pre-teenager. I'm 12. Shattered. But I suck at recording, so you didn't even see it. But yeah, snow's kind of calmed down. I mean, no, not the snow. snow melted up here in Maryland like weeks ago, but it lasted for a week. We still got a little bit left somehow. Oh no, that's not even snow, that's ice. I walked right over that. Here's some of our Jeeps. That blue one is in Towers. But got a pretty nice Comanche right here. Long bed. It's height, I think. I don't remember what something like that is called. Long tires, cause why not? No front bumper, cause cheap gang. And 5-speed with a hole in the floor, cause who cares? And we got this Cherokee with rod mounts. And no title either. Pretty cool though. Anyways, that's an AW4 with a 4-liter. That's a 5-speed rear-wheel drive with a 2.5-liter, 410 gears. I think that has 3.5s. It's got okay, the wind's starting to kind of pick up again. Anyways, I'm getting cold. So yeah, I'm just going. So goodbye.